Good morning, students. As you can see, today's topic is changing of interrogative sentences into indirect speeches. Interrogative sentences means questions, okay? Interrogative sentences means questions. Like, who are you? Where are you going? The questions that we ask. Those are called interrogative sentences. Now, there are certain rules or guidelines that you need to follow to change an interrogative sentence into an indirect one. First one is question mark is replaced by a full stop. When you are changing an interrogative sentence to indirect speech, then you have to replace this question mark with a full stop at the end. Okay? For example, he said to me, comma, inverted comma open, what are you doing? Question mark, inverted comma close. It's in direct speech. Now, in the indirect speech, we can write in this way. He asked me what I was doing. See here, this question mark gets changed into full stop and it's an indirect speech. Hope it is clear. Number 2, the reporting verb. As you all know, the reporting verb is changed into verbs such as ask or asked, inquired of, demanded of, wondered, inquired of, want or wanted to know. These are the possibilities or the probable changes that are needed. Okay, but mostly you can see that ask or asked to or inquired of, these two are the main things that are being used to change a question from direct to indirect one. For example, the policeman said to the man, in comma, inverted comma open, where are you going? Question mark, inverted comma close. It's in direct speech. The reporting verb here is said to. Okay? The reporting verb here is said to. So, in the indirect, you can change the above interrogative sentence into an indirect one like this. The policeman inquired of the man where he was going. Okay, see the change in the reporting verb. Said to, it's being changed to inquired of. Okay, that means the reporting verb needs to be changed into the following verbs: ask or asked or asked. Okay, let me write it. Ask or asked to, inquired of. These are the basic 3 things that you mostly need. Hope this one is clear. Now see this page. Again, she said to him, comma, inverted comma open, are you busy? It's in direct speech. Now, when you have to change this interrogative direct into an indirect one, you can write in this way. He asked him if he was busy. Now see, this reporting verb here is said to. It got changed to asked. Okay? So, here also the reporting verb got changed. Hope it's clear. Now, few things to remember. Inquired of or inquired. Sorry. Inquired of or inquired. This means that when someone is asking for any information, that means when someone is seeking any information to know. Okay. Said to changes to asked to if there is an object mentioned or not mentioned. In both the cases, said to changes to asked to. Okay, that means said here. See, it is only said here. No object is here. No object is here. It is the subject. Let me write it. It is the subject. It is the verb. I mean the reporting verb. But no object is here. Okay. Still it is changed to asked. Again see this one. Said to. Let me write it. It is the subject. It is the reporting verb. It is the object. It is also changed to asked to. That means said gets changed to asked or asked to in spite of the object being present or not. Now let me see this example. She said, comma, inverted comma open. Is something wrong? Question mark, inverted comma close. It's in direct speech. She asked if something was wrong. It's an indirect speech. Now see, said gets changed itself to asked. No object is present. Okay, but still it gets changed to asked. Next one. She said to him, comma, inverted comma open. Have you finished the work? Question mark, inverted comma close. It's in direct speech. She asked to him if he had finished the work. It's an indirect speech. See here, she is a subject present. Said to is the reporting verb. Him is the object. So said to gets changed to asked to. That means said gets changed to asked or asked to even if the object is present or not present. Doesn't matter. Okay. Said gets itself changed to ask or asked to irrespective of the object being present or not present.